A very good morning to everyone. Today we have gathered to conduct an important and meaningful debate on the topic control and prevention of drugs. To start off, let us understand what drug abuse actually means. I now invite Fazil Ahmed Malik, our first participant, to explain the meaning of drug abuse.
Drug abuse refers to the misuse of substances leading to addiction or dependence. Dear Ayat, in India, millions of people are affected with substances like alcohol, cannabis, opioids, and synthetic drugs being commonly abused. These substances alter the user's mindset and behavior, often leading to social, physical, and emotional harm. Ayat, over to you.
Thank you for that insightful introduction. Now let us move on to the different types that are commonly abused. I will go to Hanan Imtiaz Koka.
Commonly abused substances like number 1, cannabis, used by approximately 2.8% of the Indian population with states like Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, Chhattisgarh and Delhi recording high prevalences. Number 2, opioids, or 2.06% of the Indian population abuse opioid, with many requiring treatment services. Number 3, synthetic drugs, methamphetamine, MDMA, and LSD are increasingly prevalent, especially among youth. Number 4, sedatives, 1.08% of population use sedatives for non-medical purposes. Number 5, inhalant, 1.07% of children and adolescents use inhalant, with nearly 18 lakh children needed help. Over to you, Ayat.
Well said. Now the big question. Why do people fall into the trap of drug abuse? I invite Saab Ahmed Khan to tell us about its causes.
Causes of drug abuse. Number 1, peer pressure, influence from friends or social circle. Number 2, stress, trauma and depression. Number 3, easy access to substances, lack of awareness, limited knowledge about substances abuse risks. Number 5, family issues and broken homes. Number 6, unemployment and poverty. Over to you, Ayat.
Now that we know the causes, let us look at the harm impact of drug abuse on society, individuals, etc. I call upon Yamin Hassan Malik to present his views on it.
Impacts of drug abuse, health issues, physical and mental health problems, including addiction, overdose, and long-term damage. Social consequences, strained relationships, loss of employment, and social isolation. Crime and violence, increased risk of committing crimes, including kidnapping, murder, and human trafficking. Economic burden, significant financial costs for treatment, law enforcement, and loss to productivity. What do you add?
We have heard some alarming factors, but let us not lose the hope. Now it is time to hear about the solutions. I invite Ubaid Ahmed Baq to share some preventive measures.
To control the spread of drugs in society, we must ensure number 1, stricter law enforcement, strengthening laws against drug trafficking and usage, harsh punishment to offenders, border control and monitoring, tightening border security to prevent drug smuggling. Number 3, ban on production and sale. Number 4, prohibiting the illegal cultivation of drug-producing plants. Number 5, rehabilitation centers, setting up centers for addicts to recover through counseling, therapy and medication, and awareness campaigns, education in schools and colleges, parental guidance and support, youth engagement programs, psychological support should be provided to addicts. What do you, Ayat?
Thank you, Ubaid. Dear listeners, drug abuse is a deadly trap that ruins lives and weakens the nation. Therefore say no to drugs, yes to life. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.